Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel Merchant Navy Decoded. मेरे साथ है राजीव कौशिक sir and let's come straight to the point and that is sir, what is SIP? First question. Second question is how to select dates of SIP and is it really important to select dates कि किस दिन हमें SIP में पैसे deposit करने हैं?
Firstly, we should understand that SIP means systematic investment plan. This is connected with investing in mutual funds. The whole idea of having a SIP is not to get better return. The idea of SIP is to have a disciplined investing so that whatever money we earn, we invest it almost at the same time. Because it has been seen in the market since 1979 that it was only for about 57 to 60 days that market has given in all these 30-40 years that the market has given excellent returns. So we should not be left out of that. So the idea is that by investing systematically through SIP, you take out the human factor of investment. Otherwise, if you have to invest it manually for every month, it will weigh on your mind. Should I do it now or should I do it later on? And now the market is up. If you know something about the stock market, then people will tell you now the market is down and maybe it will go more down. So take out all from the equation and you invest a fixed sum every month. Nowadays, the mutual funds are also allowing weekly SIPs. Means instead of buying the mutual fund of fixed quantity in one particular date in a month, you can do it 4 times. Actually, there are 5 trading weeks. 1st, 8th, 15th, 22nd and 29th of the month. So averagely we have 5 trading days in which your weekly SIP can be deducted from your bank and invested in the fund of your choice which you are investing. Now this covers your second part where you have asked that which date should we select. Now, as the research has shown that selecting any particular date when you are investing for 20 years has no meaning. Because in any particular month, unless something disastrous happens, the market will not go down at once and it will not go up at once. So it also has not been proven that weekly SIP is better than monthly SIP. However, since the provision is there, for example, if you want to invest 25,000 rupees per month via SIP, then you can easily do 5,000 rupees weekly so that your 5,000 rupees are debited from the bank every week. So sometimes you will get your units of mutual funds at one NAV, second time you might get at a higher NAV, third time you might get at a lower NAV, but overall it will be averaged out. This is called rupee cost averaging. We will show this graphic also, from which it will be very clear that what is rupee cost averaging. So selecting the dates, selecting the term, whether weekly or monthly, is not important. What is important is that you start SIP from the first month of when you start earning. That is most important. And you should never let it stop. Means as a mariner, I know you are only earning for 6 to 7 months in a year. So you have to select your amount in such a way so that it continues for 12 months till you go back on board again. It is not necessary that you select a large amount. Whatever you are comfortable with, you do that, but make it consistent across all the funds that you have selected. Like we have already discussed that 5 to 6 funds are sufficient. So those 5 to 6 funds you should continue investing month after month without any break. Of course, when you will come down for your tickets, your competency exams, that time there will be a short break in between. But barring that, once you again go back on a consistent and a continuous career, it should not stop. If we follow this principle, the idea of selecting a date, selecting a mode, weekly or monthly, it doesn't matter. It will all be taken care of, and month on month, year on year, your corpus will grow very, very huge. It will be so huge that you will not be able to calculate it on a calculator. I am very sure of that. So I had to learn on my own how to invest, how to do this. So sometimes I would stay out. I had to understand what is the stock market, how does it move. But then whatever I am explaining to you, because I have repeatedly said that I do not have a degree in finance. I have not done any MBA. I'm not a financial advisor. I do not have any certificate. But whatever I try to pass on to you, it is out of my own experience. I have taken the losses. I have taken the profits. And just to make a point, I decided that I will retire on the date that I have decided earlier on. And as everything went well by the grace of all the powers that are around us, it has worked for me, and I'm very sure it will work for all the seafarers who are entering shipping now, who are continuing in shipping, or the senior people who are senior to me also, who are thinking in terms of retiring anytime now.
Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Let's learn together, stay together, grow together.